636. If you actually want to see what the code looks like, you can go to one of these channels. You are on the fast code review on Kanji Coder. We're going to look at the 636 deltas, so let's get going. So in file 196, we added this micro-level center point section to pre-existing code and added some tags to find it. So this is R13 converted to BCX, BCY, BCX and BCY standing for bitmap center X, bitmap center Y. We don't actually need any of this fucking data to do what we did, but I was a complete idiot in the previous videos, and it's embarrassing. So in the file 196 function section within the put nick cage tile setter, we actually had some mistakes in here that we had to correct. So this is just a thing I was looking at. It has nothing to do with the mistake I fixed. The mistake I fixed is right down here. These coordinates are only applying when we have a 32-bit value, but this is an 8-bit value, right? This is the red channel, and if we want relatively where these certain bits are stored within our pixel, when we're looking at it in terms of 4 different bytes, we need to minus this 0 out red value, which is 24. And now the calculations are actually fucking correct. Previously, we were just setting 0 here every single goddamn time when we were trying to set a cage tile around the level design. Now, in our loader function, RGBA196 to Pix2048, the in-game memory, in this function, let's just fucking scroll down here. Okay, so this, we don't really care about. I thought I needed to care about it. I don't need to fucking care about that. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit here. Okay, so right here, we finally got the formula correct. Look at that. It's amazing. It's an amazing formula. It's 31. That's all it was. This is fucking embarrassing. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit. Okay, so here, we didn't have to change this. We just had to get MIC-RLX and MIC-RLY correct, right? And now this works. This works now. So here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes and stuff. And here's what we did in this video. And if you want to read those footnotes, you'll have to check out the code here, because I don't go over those in any code review. Here's ways to get a hold of me. Get a hold of me on Discord, Kanji Coder, all capital, 0255. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch in a C99 style using JavaScript and data-oriented design. Like and subscribe if you want to see how to make a fractal geometry bomb engine game.